Welcome to the breakfast bowl edition, the first one that we're doing on our Bitchin Bowl challenge. Today I have a special treat, the sweet sauce and the sweet gals. Do you want to hold it? Who are gonna help me make a Bitchin breakfast bowl super sweet style. Here we go. We're actually gonna make a Bitchin granola and it's gonna be delicious. So right now we've got our oats in there. Girly gals, you want to help me? Let's add our coconut flakes. Oh. Nice. And then we're going to add some almonds because we love almonds. And then we're going to add a little coconut sugar. Very good. And then, here, wait. Let's see, do you know what this is?
It looks like ground vanilla. It smells like it.
It is ground vanilla. That's a special treat. And then this, what is this?
Cinnamon. Jinx.
In our family, some people like cinnamon and some people do not. Do you guys like cinnamon?
Yeah.
We got two takers here. All right, beautiful. And then we're gonna add bitchin sauce. I don't know if you've ever tried chocolate bitchin sauce, but if you can get your hands on it, you better keep them on it because most of the time people will snatch it and eat it with a spoon until it's all gone. I had to buy like 3 of these in order to have one to do this video. All right, here you go, Eves. Why don't you add about half that tub? This is actually one of the easier granolas to make because the bitchin sauce just has all the components anyways. All right, there you go. Mix it all up. Oh wait, we forgot our egg. I like to add an egg to granola. It makes it a little bit chewier and yeah.
Chewy.
There you go, there's a nice egg. Let's add that. Beautiful. Give it a good mix. Oh, we forgot the salt. Evie, pinch of salt there. Maybe like 5 more pinches. Yeah. Now we're talking. Ooh. All right, we're gonna stir it all up. We're gonna put it onto our parchment lined sheet pan, and then we're gonna whack it in the oven. All right, granola's done. What do you think, girls?
Looks pretty tasty.
Looks pretty tasty. Does it have a good crunch? Does it taste like delicious chocolate goodness?
It does.
It passed the crunch test. Okay, next what we're going to do is build our bowl. We're gonna start with some Greek yogurt. You want to put that in the bowl there, Ar? While she's doing that, I'm going to do a little strawberry tutorial. Yeah, right in there, hun. So we talked about this a little bit before, how if it's a pointy strawberry, then it's extra sweet. And if it's really bright red, that's not always an indicator that it's very sweet. I was not really following my own advice, and I got these super bright red ones, and I don't know if they're going to be good or not, but taste test.
It's good.
It's good? All right. The granola passes, the strawberries pass. Ooh, that's perfect. That's a lot. I'm glad you guys are here to share with me. Thank you. Okay, next we're gonna put a little bit of sauce on there. Get it nice and chocolatey. I like to layer the sauce throughout my breakfast bowl so I can get a parfait style bite each time. Okay, then why don't you go ahead and put some granola on there while I prep this here strawberry. Yeah, we're gonna need like 5 times more than that. Good job. Beautiful. Oh, it's gonna be so crunchy and delicious. Okay, let me put on some nice little slices of strawberry. What do you guys think? Looks like a delightful parfait. Yeah? What's your favorite type of breakfast?
Cereal.
Cereal.
Smoothie.
Smoothie. Ooh, maybe we'll have to make one of those.
Smoothie bowl.
Ooh, that looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Oh, can one of you run outside and get some mint real quick?
Yep.
Thank you. Okay, we've got our mint. We're gonna do one last dollop of sauce because everyone's gonna want more of the chocolatey goodness. Very good. And I'm going to garnish it. My little mint leaves. Look how cute. What do you think, gals? I think it looks pretty good. All right, dig in. Take the first bite for me. Pretty good? Yeah? I'm gonna use your spoon. Going in for the real thing. All right, crunchy, creamy. A breakfast Bitchin Bowl, sweet edition. Thanks, gals. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's good. It's bitchin'.